My name is Chad Griffith, and I'm a CNC lathe operator here at Hunting Titan. Hunting Titan makes wireline perforation guns to be used on frac sites, which helps the frac crews extract the oil and natural gas from the wells. And I particularly run the robot cells that make the H1 guns here at Hunting. The ability to actually program it and have it do a function over and over, be able to set parameters so it can't go beyond that, actually give it hard stops. It's actually a really cool thing to be able to do. And to be able to control something that makes a product for us is really fun.